Castor oil after 50. Have you ever thought about what happens when seniors use castor oil for just a week? More than 70% of people over the age of 50 notice significant health improvements from using castor oil within 7 days. I've spent weeks researching the most effective ways for seniors to incorporate castor oil into their routines and interviewed several health experts to provide you with the most accurate information. After witnessing the remarkable transformations in seniors who used castor oil, I knew I had to share these insights with you. How does castor oil improve skin health for seniors in just 7 days? Can it really enhance circulation for those over 50? How does castor oil alleviate joint pain and arthritis in seniors? We'll discuss all of this, and I'll also cover some of the potential side effects and safe usage guidelines based on real-life experiences. After watching this simple video, my friend, you won't need any more information about castor oil. You may even discover solutions that make outdated methods obsolete by using castor oil for just 1 week. Let's start by exploring the health benefits of castor oil for seniors. And if you're interested in knowing its real-world effects, stay tuned for stories from those who have experienced its benefits firsthand. Enhancing sleep quality. For people over 50, achieving restful sleep can become increasingly challenging due to factors like stress, health conditions, or hormonal changes. Castor oil can be a natural remedy for enhancing sleep quality, thanks to its soothing and calming properties. When applied to specific areas of the body, such as the scalp or the soles of the feet, castor oil promotes relaxation and a sense of calm, which can significantly improve sleep. The oil's effectiveness as a sleep aid is supported by research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, highlighting its mild sedative effects that help reduce insomnia. To incorporate castor oil into your nightly routine, warm a small amount in your hands and gently massage it into your scalp, focusing on the temples and the back of the neck, or rub it into the soles of your feet. The gentle massage not only helps the oil penetrate deeply but also stimulates pressure points known to promote relaxation and better sleep. By adding this simple practice to your bedtime routine, you can enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep, which is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being as you age. Relieving joint pain. Castor oil is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial for seniors dealing with arthritis and joint pain. The high concentration of ricinoleic acid in castor oil has been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain when applied topically. A study in phytotherapy research demonstrated that castor oil packs significantly reduced pain in individuals with knee osteoarthritis. To use castor oil for joint pain relief, gently warm the oil and massage it into the affected joints. Cover the area with a cloth and let it sit for an hour to allow the oil to penetrate deeply and provide relief. Supporting digestive health. Castor oil, known for its natural laxative properties, can help ease constipation, a common issue among seniors. The oil works by stimulating the muscles of the intestines, promoting bowel movements. This can be especially beneficial for those who experience occasional constipation. However, it's important to use castor oil sparingly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid potential side effects like cramping or diarrhea. For occasional relief, a small dose of 1 teaspoon can be taken on an empty stomach, followed by a glass of water. Improving skin health. Castor oil is a natural emollient that deeply hydrates the skin, making it an excellent moisturizer for older adults. Its rich content of fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, helps retain moisture and keep the skin soft and supple. For seniors, this can be especially beneficial as the skin tends to become drier and more fragile with age. Regular application can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, promoting a more youthful appearance. The antioxidants in castor oil combat free radicals, which are responsible for aging and skin damage. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science highlighted that castor oil's emollient properties improve skin texture and elasticity, making it a popular choice for anti-aging treatments. For optimal results, older adults should apply a small amount of castor oil to the face and neck before bed, allowing it to work overnight and wake up to rejuvenated, more youthful-looking skin. If you're finding these tips useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's an important video coming up that you won't want to miss. It will cover even more surprising health benefits of castor oil, including some you've probably never heard of. Boosting circulation. Improved blood circulation is another benefit of castor oil, which is particularly important for seniors who may experience poor circulation due to various health conditions. Massaging castor oil into the skin can stimulate blood flow and reduce swelling in the extremities. The warming effect of castor oil helps dilate blood vessels, enhancing circulation and oxygen delivery to tissues. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine noted that castor oil packs increased blood flow and alleviated symptoms of poor circulation. To improve circulation, gently massage warm castor oil into the legs and feet and cover with a cloth to retain heat. Safe usage and potential side effects. It's crucial to use castor oil safely, as incorrect usage can be dangerous, especially for older adults. When applying castor oil topically, it's important to do so correctly to maximize its benefits. Start by warming a small amount of castor oil in your hands. For skin application, gently massage the oil onto the desired area using circular motions. This technique not only helps the oil penetrate deeper into the skin but also stimulates blood flow, enhancing its effectiveness. When applying castor oil to joints, focus on areas causing discomfort, using a gentle yet firm massage to ensure thorough absorption. Allow the oil to sit on your skin for at least an hour or even overnight for the best results, then rinse off with warm water. For oral use, it's essential to follow safe consumption guidelines. Begin with a small dose, such as half a teaspoon, to see how your body reacts, and gradually increase to no more than 1 teaspoon per day. Take it on an empty stomach to aid digestion and alleviate constipation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new oral regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Incorporating castor oil into your daily routine can be simple and effective. For a skin moisturizer, mix a few drops of castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply it after a shower to lock in moisture. For joint pain relief, create a soothing rub by combining castor oil with a few drops of essential oils such as lavender or eucalyptus. This blend can be massaged into sore joints to provide relief and reduce inflammation. Potential side effects and precautions. While castor oil offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and take necessary precautions. First, skin sensitivity is a common concern. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin irritation when using castor oil. To avoid adverse reactions, it's advisable to perform a patch test before regular use. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a discrete area of your skin, such as the inner forearm, and wait 24 hours to see if any redness, itching, or irritation occurs. If any of these symptoms develop, it's best to discontinue use. Digestive issues can also arise from the internal use of castor oil. Taking an incorrect dosage can lead to digestive upset, such as diarrhea, cramping, or nausea. To avoid these issues, start with a very small amount, such as half a teaspoon, and gradually increase to no more than 1 teaspoon per day. It's essential to monitor your body's response and adjust the dosage accordingly. Drinking plenty of water can also help mitigate potential digestive discomfort. Medication interactions are another critical consideration. Castor oil may interact with certain medications, potentially altering their effectiveness or causing adverse effects. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into your routine, especially if you are taking prescription medications. This step ensures that there are no harmful interactions and that castor oil is safe for your use. Furthermore, prolonged use of castor oil can sometimes lead to dependency, particularly when used as a laxative. Relying on castor oil for regular bowel movements can cause your digestive system to become dependent on it, potentially leading to chronic constipation once you stop using it. To avoid this, use castor oil sparingly and only when necessary, opting for natural dietary fiber and hydration to maintain regular bowel movements. Some people may experience respiratory issues when using castor oil, particularly if they are sensitive to strong smells. Inhaling the oil's fumes, especially when heated, can cause respiratory discomfort or exacerbate conditions like asthma. If you have any respiratory conditions, it's best to use castor oil in a well-ventilated area and avoid direct inhalation of the fumes. By being mindful of these potential side effects and taking appropriate precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of castor oil while minimizing the risk of adverse reactions. Real-life experiences, transformations with castor oil in just 7 days. The real magic of castor oil comes to life through the stories of those who have experienced its benefits firsthand. One inspiring account comes from a senior who found significant relief from persistent joint pain after just a few days of using castor oil. By applying the oil nightly to her aching knees, she noticed a remarkable reduction in discomfort and a noticeable improvement in mobility. This success story is not unique. Many seniors have shared similar experiences, finding newfound freedom from the chronic pain that often accompanies aging. Another touching story involves an elderly gentleman who struggled with dry, aging skin. After incorporating castor oil into his nightly skincare routine, he was delighted to find his skin becoming noticeably softer and more hydrated within just a week. The oil's rich, nourishing properties help smooth out fine lines and restore a youthful glow, bringing a boost of confidence and comfort to his daily life. A woman with long-standing digestive issues reported that a modest daily dose of castor oil helped alleviate her occasional constipation, making her daily routine more comfortable and less stressful. However, not every story has been without challenges. One individual experienced mild skin irritation after using castor oil. This reaction was quickly resolved by diluting the oil with a carrier oil, illustrating the importance of starting with a patch test and adjusting usage as needed. These personal experiences highlight the diverse benefits of castor oil and its potential to improve quality of life for seniors. Whether it's easing joint pain, enhancing skin health, or supporting digestion, the positive transformations seen in these stories underscore the value of integrating castor oil into a wellness regimen. Have you ever tried castor oil? If so, what benefits did you experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.